Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to this new episode on this session or new session in this channel. Okay, so guys, today we will actually hear about a story on presence of mind. Okay, or a story which can inspire us to think much in a much leveled fashion. Okay, so guys, this story actually is not my own. Or it just kind of is a story which kind of inspired me. So I was reading this somewhere else, guys. Okay, so this is not a story which I have come up with or a story which I know much about. Okay, so guys, the story is okay. So let me just tell you the story. Okay, so guys, in a small village there was a businessman. Okay, he was in a lot of debts and he had tried a lot of things, but that didn't seem to work for him. Okay, so he actually took loan from a loan shark and he couldn't repay it back. Okay, so now guys, this loan shark was a very old guy uh, who had a very distinct eye on the businessman's daughter. Okay, so he said, okay, fine, see, you want the loan to be kind of taken out and off the picture. So this guy was a very strong guy, guys. Okay, so what he proposed was, you want me to take the loan out, you let me marry your daughter and the loan will be wiped out. Okay, sad, but that was the condition of the loan shark. Okay, so now the father knew that he would practically have destroyed his daughter's life if he would have let her marry this guy for the loan that he had taken. Okay, so he didn't understand what to do. So then the loan shark came up with another plan. Okay, so where he called everyone from the village, he accumulated them all and he gave the businessman a very simple proposition to accept. Okay, if he would have forgiven the loan. Okay, so guys, now the plan from the loan shark was that he would place two pebbles in a bag. Okay, one white, one black. Okay, and he would ask the daughter to pick one pebble. Okay, so in case she picked up the black pebble, then the loan was wiped out, and but the daughter would have to marry the loan shark. Okay, and so if the daughter would have picked up the white pebble, the debt would still be wiped out, but she would not need to marry the loan shark. Okay, so guys, this was a wicked plan by the loan shark. Okay, and his idea was, in the end, he would just want to marry the daughter. Okay, so he thought at least in this way he can convince the village that he gave a good opportunity to the businessman, 50-50 kind of opportunity to the businessman to actually wipe out his loan and save his daughter. Okay, so guys, everyone in the village liked that idea and they asked the loan shark to go ahead with it because he gave an equal opportunity to the daughter as well. Okay, so guys, then the loan shark just bent down to pick pebbles. Okay, but the daughter observed that he picked two black pebbles. Okay, so there was no white pebble. Okay, now the daughter naturally had three choices. Okay, one was to refuse to pick a pebble from the bag, second was to take both the pebbles out and prove that the loan shark was cheating to the whole village, and third, wherein the second option was not good, because wherein this would actually also kind of bring trouble for the family or the businessman. Okay, and third would be to pick a pebble from the bag, very well aware that the loan shark was cheating and hence sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. Okay, so guys, this was an intense moment for the daughter because she had to now do something. Okay, so guys, what she did next was she drew a pebble from the bag. Okay, just like it was intended to, but as the villagers just saw, the pebble kind of slipped from her hand. Okay, and it fell to the ground and she said, oops, how clumsy of me. Okay, never mind, we don't have to look for the pebble outside, because any which ways whatever is left in the bag, we will be able to tell which is the one that I picked. Okay, and now guys, the bigger thing was that because the pebble left in the bag was obviously black. Okay, and because the loan shark would not want to expose himself, saying that he had lied to the whole village. Okay, so he would have to forgo the debt and the daughter. Okay, so guys, the basic reason why I'm telling this inspiring story is, if you hold your presence of mind and you hold your core together, even in the worst problems, if you just count back, you may be able to bring a solution so beautiful, which will definitely save you from any embarrassment or any form of discouragement. Okay, so you don't have to insult anyone. At the same time, you can just walk out of whatever situation you are getting into without any trouble. Okay, so guys, hope you did like the story. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, I will come back with a lot more stories than this, guys, and with a stabler camera if possible. Okay, so have a great day, guys. Take care.